thrust is directed forward of the aircraft. It's what allows the C-17 to drive backwards. I don't know if you guys ever seen that before.
I've seen it.
And somebody from the crew gets on the headset.
We can do the icing to
In the back. And then with your much shorter. So you're going to be
In the middle.
yeah, you're going to be probably where the one hit the microphone.
YouTube.
Top left. Shut the microphone off. You can leave the speaker. Parallel. Not like this.
Parallel.
Parallel.
Just give him to try a tea from your kitchen.
Not my kitchen.
Sako, kad nereikia naudoti antrą...
Jeigu sniego nėra, ne?
Yeah, usually using type 2 before takeoff.
If it's snowing or raining.
Yeah.
Because he was going to do ribs, but he's doing that instead. That was instead. His ribs are pretty good.
Nice to meet you.